What's the meaning of contiguous? Contiguous. Contiguous.
Contiguous. Contiguous. The term contiguous refers to objects or areas that are adjacent or touching each other, without any intervening space. It often implies that the objects share a common boundary or are part of a larger unified area. This word is commonly used in geography to describe the physical proximity of regions or territories. In computer science, a contiguous block of memory refers to a sequence of addresses that occupy consecutive locations. Overall, the term contiguous emphasizes the closeness and connectivity of things that are in close proximity to each other.